Hey fellow foodies! The last dish I'm making for this month's Taiwanese cuisine is fried pork chop or pai gu fan. Tender and juicy, a quick and simple dish yet packed with so much flavor. I'm using 8 pieces of bone-in pork chops already sliced thin. If you're using regular pork chops with or without bone, make sure to pound it about 1/4 inch in thickness. Thin pork chops makes it more tender and also faster to cook. We would need 1 tablespoon of five spice powder, 1 tablespoon of minced garlic, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of Shaoxing wine, and also 1 tablespoon of sugar. You can use white sugar or brown sugar. Then mix all of the ingredients together and we're going to marinate our pork for about 30 minutes or overnight. Make sure that all the pork chop pieces are coated with the marinade. Next, we're going to use potato starch for our coating. You can substitute cornstarch if you cannot find potato starch. Dredge all of your pork chop pieces and lay it on a tray so that it's easier to fry. I use about 1 1/2 cup for all 8 pork chops. You can always cut the ingredients in half if you're only using 4. I'm deep frying them at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 3 to 5 minutes on each side. Make sure to not crowd your pan. After it is deep fried, we're going to set them on a tray and let the excess oil drip and let it rest for 3 to 5 minutes before slicing. This dish is usually served with tea egg and pickled mustard greens. If you haven't seen my tea egg video, I will link it in the description down below. And as always, enjoy and thanks for watching!